Hi, so in this programming assignment, we were asked to create a similar lunar lander kind of game with the physics of Box 2D, and so we were supposed to create a lander that had multiple fixtures. So let's first look at that. So you can see as the bird has a thruster in the bottom as well as it has it on the both the sides, and I can easily control it with the keys or with I, J and L keys, and as soon as I hit the spacebar it resets its position from there. And so as far as the code, there's no major changes to the game.cpp, but then we have created a thruster class where we define the thrusters that would be that we saw on our bird. So we basically stuck that to the bird and as a multiple fixture. So and this is what we have defined on how to on when we apply the when we press the key, on what side does the force, the torque be applied to, and so that's the multiple fixture creation that we have to our game object. And we have created the lander. So basically the blackbird is my lander over there, and then I have um, stuck the then I have those three thrusters that the upward thruster is one that pushes the bird up or the lander up, and then we have the left and the right thruster, right? So these are the positions of the coordinates where they would be they would appear. And so the fire up applies the force for acceleration, so it applies the force upwards, and the right and the left one has a torque that we angle the lander accordingly. And for the input manager, we already had this in the base code, and we wanted to turn off as soon as the key is released. We wanted to turn off the thruster so it doesn't appear. So as soon as I release the I key, you could see the thruster is disappearing from there. So that is the so for that we have used this piece of code that removes the thruster from there. So you could see we went down here and we cut the sprite, the bang sprite, and then we have set it to false, so that when we get into this um, method, it just turns off. As far as the class diagram, it's exactly what we were asked to do and what the goals of this assignment is. So we can see that it's almost the same. We have added the three methods for removing the thrusters, that once the key is released the thrusters just disappear. And also we were asked to determine whether the landing is hard, soft or medium. So let's demonstrate that again. So as I go up and then land down here, we can see that we have a medium landing, and we had a medium landing over here, and then as soon as I leave the ground, you could see that it ended the contact over there, and then as soon as I touch the ground again, it begins my contact, and then it stays. Once the ender is stagnant, then it stops there, and as soon as I leave, it ends the contact call, and then it starts again, and as soon as I fall down, it shows that I had a hard landing over there. And then if I did that. It has some medium banking over there. So that was it. Thank you.